We are going to see how letters are pronounced in Kinyarwanda. A is A, B is B, C is Ch, D is Da, E is E, F is F, G is G, H is H, I is I, J is J, K is K, L is L, M is M, N is N, O is still O, P is P. There is no Q in Kinyarwanda. R is R, S is S, T is T, U is U, V is V, W is W. There is also no X in Kinyarwanda. Y is Ya, Z is Z. A, B, Ch, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Q doesn't exist in Kinyarwanda. R, S, T, U, V, W, and X doesn't exist in Kinyarwanda. Ya, Z. Amata, ibinyomoro, icyuma, dendo, inkweto, ifu, igiti, ihembe, ikabutura, ijisho, kamambiri, amabuye, inkuba, ibitabo, ipantaro, ururabo, gasuku, itara, urufunguzo, ivuriro, kawunga, isafuriya, zahabu.